Want to use AI for your content marketing? Let's see which one is better. Hello everyone, this is Matthew from Contenting Life. Let's compare the best AIs. Okay, in this video, we are going to compare the best AIs for content guys. I have grabbed three of the most popular ones, Jasper, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT. I myself use Gemini, but I think these ones have more searches around them and more people are trying to find out which one is better for using in their content journey, in their designing their drafts, or I don't know, creating content and etc. So I decided to do a deep research about them and compare them based on the sources and reviews available online and give you some hints, tips and tricks on where to use them and which one is better for which use case. So let's go for the overall comparison. We can say there's an AI platform revolution and the AIs are not only AI writers anymore. You know, the question is which AI writes better. We are not asking that question anymore. We are asking which platform solves my specific business challenges. You know, AIs are not just writers anymore, especially Jasper and Copy.ai have expanded their services to many more detailed services, and we can say that, for example, Jasper is here for corporate marketing teams and it can solve many of your marketing problems, and it's engineered for content lifecycle management, brand consistency, and campaign orchestration. On the other hand, Copy.ai is a dedicated go-to-market automation platform. We are going to talk about GTM a lot in this video, and it's very good for sales and marketing. And if you want to automate lots of your processes, you can use Copy.ai as well. The name doesn't show that. You think that Copy.ai is only used for writing, but no, it's now a very good platform for GTM automations. And ChatGPT, I'm sure many of you know it, and many think that you can only chat with ChatGPT, but it's although it's a general purpose AI utility, it can now have many more services and many more opportunities, features for you if you use custom GPTs and try to somehow customize it for your use cases. So there are three platforms, but each of them has a specific philosophy. So, early leaders were just focused on the upmarket to build specialized high-value workflows to justify the premium pricing. You know, the pricing is different and each of them focuses on one specific solution. For example, Jasper is kind of a marketing engine, and if you want to do some processes end-to-end marketing, campaign planning to brand governance, you can use Jasper. I said GTM is very good for automation, especially in content field, and ChatGPT, we can think it as a foundational AI layer, and you can adapt it to any task, any industry and anything, but you have to know how to create custom GPTs. I might create a video about how to create custom GPTs with ChatGPT that can be useful for content marketing guys. So let's go for the first one, Jasper. We can call it the AI-powered marketing engine. Why do we call Jasper that? Because it's kind of a central nervous system for marketing organizations' content operation. For example, if you want to automate your content marketing processes, you can use Jasper. And Jasper Canvas is one of the best services available because it's give you a visual interface, and you can map out and organize entire campaigns from ideation to content creation and to publishing. And the Jasper IQ, it's a knowledge base. You can put your brand voice, brand identity, brand book, audience personas, and anything to Jasper IQ, and it will use it for creating content for campaigns and etc. And it can very good integrate with services like SEMrush and Surfer SEO and others. And this integration is very useful for content marketing teams that work closely with SEO teams, and they can put all of their efforts together in Jasper. The next one is Copy.ai. We call it the GTM automation platform. It's very good for automation. I talked about it many times in this video and we'll talk about it more. and it's kind of an automation engine. GTM, go-to-market processes are very hard for business, especially startups. And Copy.ai can help you with workflows, agents, and tables. It's not only text editors. You can create workflows in Copy.ai that do a specific task for you. And especially it focuses on commercial use cases. We can give examples like prospecting, lead processing, ABM playbooks. It can be very useful for this kind of analysis and automated processes. And what is the value of Copy.ai? It gives you direct business outcomes. It gives you pipeline growth, cost savings. You can put here the cost of your, for example, customer acquisition cost and other costs, and somehow calculate the return of investments and how you perform, how your content and how your campaigns worked in attracting customers and then converting them to sales. And ChatGPT, the last but not least, we all know that it's kind of a universally accessible intelligence utility for any task. We all know that you can use ChatGPT for anything nowadays. Something I use Gemini for that. But ChatGPT has a very good, very specific feature named Custom GPT. And if you have a good technical team, you can use its API and create your own AI, your GPT, for doing your tasks. And what was the strategy of ChatGPT in the market? The first strategy was mass adoption. OpenAI team was focused on attracting as more as possible customers and just providing them everything they need. And the free tier is very good for day-to-day usage. But after adding API and Custom GPT is now one of the best solutions for different teams, from programming to marketing and etc. If you know how to create Custom GPT, ChatGPT can be your best solution. And there's no need to mention that GPT-5 has lots of new features, and its integration with DALL-E and Sora helps you create media, multimedia, images, videos, and it can work as a kind of an one-size-fits-all solution for all of your efforts in marketing. So let's just compare them in a detailed table. We will compare the feature in different AIs, Jasper, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT. As a content editor, Jasper and ChatGPT can be the best. Copy.ai, although the name shows that it can be good for copywriting, but it's kind of a basic content editor, not that much of professional. And for the automation, we talked about it a lot. Copy.ai is the best solution. And if you use APIs in ChatGPT, it can be a very good solution for workflow automation. For brand voice controls, Jasper is the best. You can give your brand voice, brand book to its IQ, and it will learn and it will implement it in all of your content creation and campaign design. But ChatGPT is not that professional in this field. For SEO tools, I said about it, Jasper can be integrated with many SEO platforms, but Copy.ai doesn't have that capability, and ChatGPT is limited in this field as well. For image generation, Copy.ai doesn't have this. Be careful if you want to use AI for all of your use cases. Copy.ai doesn't generate images for you. You can use Jasper or ChatGPT. And for data analysis, we all know that ChatGPT is the best. If you have used it for some data analysis, you surely know that it does the analysis very well. It can give you charts, it can give you tables, comparing data, and etc. Jasper has only a basic data analysis tool, and Copy.ai is limited. For web scraping, ChatGPT and Jasper don't offer these features to you, but Copy.ai does it. And API access is only available for enterprise solutions in Jasper and Copy.ai, but ChatGPT has a core API in it, and if you have a good technical team, you can use it for your solutions. So in comparing every tool you find online, you have to know your purpose and find the best, considering your purpose, considering your targets and goals. For example, for Jasper, it's a very good tool for long-form marketing and SEO content. if you are only focusing on marketing and SEO content, Jasper can be the best solution, especially for its integration with SEO tools. But Copy.ai is better for short form, we can say, for captions, for social media, text, and etc., and personalized sales copy. If you want to focus on only sales, it's better to use Copy.ai. And ChatGPT, it can be the best for starting, I can say, and for creative research and technical output, ChatGPT can be the best. I think for brainstorming, still ChatGPT and Gemini are the best. For example, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini for brainstorming, for getting ideas for your campaigns, content calendar, and etc. And then use one of the paid versions of Copy.ai or Jasper. About the user experience and workflow integration, let's compare these three AI tools. Jasper can be the marketer's workflow. It has a unified ecosystem. You can plan your campaigns on Canvas, write in the editor with live SEO feedback. It's very useful for SEO guys, and collaborate with a team all in one place. All of them can be done in one place. But Copy.ai is better for sales team, or we can say marketing teams that are more near to sales team. It gives an automation layer on top of the sales stack. It can run workflows, and it can get CRM leads and convert them to customers. And ChatGPT is better for general use cases. It's an on-demand assistant. You can ask everything, and it's kind of a task-specific tool. I should say it again that if you know how to create custom GPTs, ChatGPT can do many of the things that these two services do for you. So let's compare the pricing and see which one can be better for investing in AI tools. For a free plan, we can say there's only a 7-day trial in Jasper, and you can't use it for free any more than 7 days. But Copy.ai has a very good free plan. It has limited capabilities, but it's good if you just want to test and see how it works. And ChatGPT, we all know that it has a free version that is always available, but for sure it doesn't have all of the necessary tools that you need for automating your content efforts. The individual plan for Jasper is $49 per month. Copy.ai started at $49, and ChatGPT Plus is $20. For sure, ChatGPT is more cost effective, but doesn't have all of the features that these two services have. For a small team, you have to pay $69 per user per month for Jasper. But for Copy.ai, you have to purchase the advanced tier, which is $249 per month for 5 people. So if you want to use Jasper for 5 people, it will be about $70. It will be $350, but Copy.ai is $249, about $100 less. And ChatGPT charges you $25 per user per month. For example, for a team of 5 people, ChatGPT will be $150, and it's cheaper than both of these services. And the enterprise plan, there are custom pricing. You have to contact the sales team of Jasper to know the better pricing, but Copy.ai offers $1,000 to $3,000 per month for teams. It depends on the features you need, and it depends on the how many people are in your team. And ChatGPT is about $60 per user per month in the enterprise plan. Is still cheaper. I can say it's because OpenAI is a more rich company, and it can give lower prices to, and we can say the strategy is still mass adoption and wants to attract as more users as possible. So the core pricing metric for Jasper is per seat or per people, per team members. For the Copy.ai, it depends on the workflow credits. For each workflow, you have to pay some tickets and the credits, and it will just consume the credits you buy. And for ChatGPT is per seat as well, like Jasper, but if you are using the API, you have to pay more. What are the target users in each of these services? We can say Jasper is more focused on marketing professionals. Copy.ai is more focused on sales and GTM teams, and ChatGPT is more focused on generalists and developers. So we can conclude that maybe Jasper is better for content marketing professionals as well. Let's recap and get to the results. It depends on your use case. If your goal is marketing dominance, you have to use you don't have to. All of this is just suggestion. It's better to use Jasper. If your goal is accelerating your sales, so Copy.ai is a better solution. And if your goal is universal capability and you need lots of use cases and services, you better use ChatGPT. And about the persona, if you have a dedicated marketing team, Jasper is the better solution, especially because it can integrate with SEO services. For sales-driven GTM organization, if you want to go to market for a new product, new service, or you are in a startup, Copy.ai can be a better choice. And if you have different needs, ChatGPT is the solution. So let's finalize the use cases and just score the services. You see ChatGPT has more green points here. Maybe all of us are going to go back to ChatGPT depending on our use case. If your use case is long-term SEO and blog content, Jasper is the best solution. Don't forget, don't get wrong the name of Copy.ai. It's not good for long-term content and it's limited. It's better for short-form content. For personalized sales and outreach, Copy.ai is the best solution. For marketing campaign management, Jasper is the best. But for all of these three, creative and technical writing, ad hoc research and data analysis, and solopreneur all-rounder use, if you're a solopreneur, just started your startup, it's better to use ChatGPT and all of these use cases we talked about. Yes, this was the recap of all of the information we talked about in this video. Thank you again for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about content marketing, and send a video to any of your friends who wants to become a contenting guy. Thank you again, everyone. See you soon.